Hello, brow bosses! In this video, we're going to talk about patch testing for brow treatments such as henna and brow lamination. And we will also show you how to perform a patch test correctly. Performing a patch test before any beauty treatment is very important, especially when working with products that contain ingredients that may cause allergic reactions or sensitivity to the skin. When it comes to brow henna, the ingredient that may cause a reaction on the skin is what we all know as PPD. PPD is the ingredient used in almost all brow henna to make sure that the henna leaves a stain on the skin and the brow hairs. In some cases, you might come across people who are allergic to PPD. This is why a patch test is very important in predicting and avoiding an allergic reaction. A patch test should be done 48 hours before the brow treatment, giving the henna plenty of time to react on the skin, indicating the possibility of an allergy. As brow artists, it is important to perform a patch test on all new clients, even if your client previously used coloring products. Furthermore, you should perform a patch test every 6 months on your regular clients. This is because hormonal changes can cause new allergies at any given time. To perform a patch test, prepare the henna mix using the henna shade in black. The darker the color, the more PPD it contains. This increases the effectiveness of the patch test results. Apply a small dot of the henna behind the ear using an angled brush and leave it on for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the henna with a Supercilium Pro Cleanser. If any reaction occurs during the processing time, please remove the henna and rinse the skin area off immediately, and don't use this product. If no reactions occurs within 48 hours, then usage is safe for the client. Patch testing for brow lamination. As we know, brow lamination is the treatment that relaxes brow hairs. This means that these products contain chemicals that may cause allergic reactions on sensitive skin. Similar to the brow henna patch test, a brow lamination patch test must be done at least 48 hours prior to the treatment itself. To perform a brow lamination patch test, take a micro brush or a cotton swab and apply a small amount of solution number 1 behind the ear. Follow this procedure with the second and third solutions. You should also perform the same procedure with the priming glue, if this is intended to be used in the treatment. The different solutions should remain on the skin for approximately 24 hours. If any reaction occurs during these 24 hours, please remove the solution and rinse the skin area off immediately and don't use this product. If no reaction occurs within 48 hours, then usage is safe for the client. We, however, have to mention that a patch test is not a guarantee that an allergic reaction will not occur in the future, as the human body can develop an allergy at any given time. That's it for this one, brow lovers. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and hopefully this video makes you feel more comfortable in performing a patch test on your clients. And more important, convince your clients why it is so important.